Good afternoon from Commercial Rare Coins and Precious Metals in sunny Lauderdale by the Sea. This is Brian Kuzmar for our quick update on precious metals. Let's take a look and see what we're doing here today. And we're going to go to spot metal prices. Looks like currently gold is sitting around 1704.90 and has been trading in a range of 1692, 1713. Back in that 1700 range again that I've been saying it's been trading in for longer. I think I've been saying a week and a half, 2 weeks, but it's probably been 3 weeks plus now. Give or take $50, it's been right in this range. A little tighter range the last week or so. Silver, on the other hand, has broken out of that 1480, 1490 range to 15 and 20 to a little bit higher range, 1550. It's kind of been sitting at since last Friday. So it seems to have kind of made a little break there, 50 cents or so, and kind of held on to it. So the range we're seeing right here, the low today is 1538, the high is 1569. Platinum, just not doing much at all. As I've been discussing for the last few days, not a metal I know well, but I like platinum. I think it's just undervalued. I just don't know exactly why I like it and why I believe it's undervalued. I'll do a little more research into that, other than the fact of I've been doing this for, 40 years. So I got a good feel, and I've been watching these metals. It just seems abnormally cheap. Silver's the same way, though. Silver seems abnormally cheap as well. Let's see what happens with those. Not much going on in the world. Unemployment figures haven't changed much. In fact, they've gotten worse. So this just makes a good wind, at our backs for precious metals. Not the way you want to see an asset increase in value based on people's misery, but it's certainly looking like that's the way it's going to happen. And what else is going on? I think, our YouTube videos. Thanks for watching these videos. We have other videos out there too if you'd like to take a look on YouTube under Commercial Rare Coins. And I think that's it for today. Oh, I was asked about, I almost forgot, I was asked about supply lines. Someone had asked me about supply lines, silver and gold supply lines. I don't know exactly how to define supply lines other than they come from dealers, they come from U.S. Mint. For example, Krugerrands obviously come from South Africa, American Eagles come from the U.S. Mint. And the problem that we've been having in the last couple months is with these supply lines perhaps is lack of product. Right now, Swiss mints are shut down, so you're not going to get PAMP Swiss bars new in boxes anywhere. And even when the Swiss mints start to open up again, what you're going to see is they're going to have to fulfill some orders maybe they didn't fill when they were shut down because of the virus. So, and probably even getting the operation up and running is going to be at least 4 weeks. So when the Swiss mints start opening up and producing gold bars again, you're probably looking at 4 to 8 week delay before you even see product come out their doors. So right now, that explains the scarcity of any gold products, Swiss gold products and bars. I think all you're seeing right now out there produced or being sold is stuff that's already in the market on the secondary markets. This is the reason the premiums are so high on this stuff. The mints are not producing this stuff. They're closed. I believe the U.S. Mint is closed as well, hence the reason that you're seeing such a high premium on U.S. Gold Eagles. Even though these premiums have declined dramatically, we were paying as high as $135 and $140 per ounce over the price of gold for Gold Eagles, a month ago, or I can't remember. This whole coronavirus is a blur, but probably right in that range. Eagles were bringing as high as $175 over spot, and they were selling fast. These prices have dropped dramatically. Wholesale prices now, my cost on this product is closer to less than $100 now. Last week, Gold Eagles were costing me about $100 to buy, and then we have to make money, so we mark them up above that. But it's even dropped a little bit. So the supply for gold has loosened up. There's more product coming on available. I'm not quite sure where. I don't think it's coming from the mints. It's coming off the secondary markets most likely. Let's see how long that lasts for. Silver, the kind of same way. Silver, we've had a problem sourcing for a while, and it's still difficult to find. Oddly enough, before this coronavirus, we had a hard time sourcing a 5,000 ounce deal for a client. And that's not a large order for silver in the grand scheme of things, but we did have a difficulty finding it, and this is a month or two before this coronavirus event. So I think there's some issues with silver in the supply chain and finding physical silver, because it was getting tougher prior to this, and it really still is tougher than it should be now. I'll try to come up with an explanation for that next time. Anyways, Brian Kuzmar, Commercial Rare Coins. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye.